In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Hostinger domain to your website using domain settings and DNS records. To begin, open Chrome and go to your website's main administration dashboard. From there, head into the domain settings area. This is the section where you manage how your custom domain connects to your site, and it's where the setup process usually starts. Once you're in the right panel, choose the option that says Use a domain I own. Then enter your Hostinger domain name and click Connect Domain. After that, select the provider option labeled Other or Generic Provider. This tells the platform that your domain is managed somewhere else, so it can display the DNS records you'll need to add manually. At this point, keep the page with the DNS details open in Chrome. You'll want to leave those records visible so you can refer to them while working. Pay close attention to the host names, the record types, and the target values. These details need to be copied exactly as shown, since even a small typo can prevent the connection from working properly. Next, open a separate Chrome tab or window and sign in to your Hostinger H panel. After logging in, go to the domain section, then open the DNS or name servers area for the domain you want to connect. This is where you'll update the DNS zone settings. Now return to the setup page that shows the DNS records for your website. Copy the 4 active A record target values one by one and enter each of them into the matching fields in Hostinger's DNS management area. Then copy the unique CNAME confirmation record and paste it into the appropriate CNAME entry fields as well. Be careful to place each value into the correct row and corresponding field. Accuracy matters here, especially with record type and destination value. As you add each record in Hostinger, click Save or Add Record for every individual line. This ensures each entry is stored properly before moving on. Once all of the required records have been entered, go back to your website setup page and click Refresh Activation Status. That will trigger a new verification check and allow the system to see whether your domain settings have started updating. Keep in mind that DNS propagation is not always instant. In many cases, it can take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours for the changes to fully update across the internet. During that time, the status may not turn active right